Well, hello there. I'm the old Growler. Welcome to Time for a Beer. Every day about this time, I take a break, reach out, get a can of beer, bottle of beer, sometimes a wine or a spirit might drop by. We're all friends in fermentation. Crack it open. Well, first off, I read the label. Everything on the label. Check out the artwork, see what it's trying to sell me. Crack it open and see if it meets those expectations. I also give it a rating. 1, if it just showed up. 3, if it meets expectations. 5, if it's an elixir of the gods. All right, what do we have today? Paulaner Munchner, the Paulaner Munchner Lager. Original Munich Lager. It is original Munich Lager brewing tradition. 4.9% alcohol by volume, 1 pint, 3.2 fluid ounces. It's a beer. Imported by Paulaner USA, White Plains, New York. Brewed by Paulaner Brewery, Gruppe GmbH and Company, KGaHa, Munich. Best before production date, see bottom. All right. It's got all kinds of beer emblems on there. Government warning, according to the Surgeon General, I should not be a pregnant woman operating heavy machinery. That's a good idea. All right, what do we got down here? 7/1/25. 7/1/25. So this has got a little while to go. Must be pretty fresh. All right. Well, what am I expecting? Well, I'll tell you. In 1986, yes, I went to Munich for the Oktoberfest. So I know what Paulaner Munchner Lager tastes like, and it's going to be interesting to see if this tastes like that. Let's crack it open and see if it meets those expectations. Oh, by the way, $5.99, almost $6 at the local beer emporium. Well, it looks it looks like a Paulaner Munchner, that's for sure. It's got the head for it. It's got the color. It's right on as far as that is, the carbonation, the clarity. All right, well, it looks the part. Let's see if it tastes the part. Prost. Yes, I took 2 sips. It's a little late in the early in the afternoon. It's around 2 o'clock. My taste buds are on siesta. Yeah, so they need to be woke. Well, they're woke. Let's see what their taste bud friends have to say. Let's see what their olfactory friends have to say about it. Oh, there's a nice malty aroma on that. Wow, that is tops. All right, well, let's see what the taste buds think about that. Oh. Full-bodied beer. Not flabby, not heavy, but a nice body to it. A nice malt base. And the hops, they are just gliding right along the top. Wow. Just enough to take that sweetness off of the malt. Wow, that is a classic beer. There is no doubt about that. Does it meet expectations? Oh, yes, it does. Absolutely. How would I rate it? Well, it certainly exceeds expectations as far as my remembering of the beer. So I'm gonna give it a 4.5. 4.5 just because I remember a really great beer. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great, share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm the old Growler, looking forward to seeing you next time when it's time for a beer.